Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers again. Today in the questions of the day, we are going to discuss a concept, or we can say directly a question on PNC, which is a very good question. So question हमें कहता क्या है that there are in how many ways can identical balls be distributed among 5 kids such that each of them has at least one ball and none of them receive more than 4 balls. So basically A plus B plus C plus D plus E. These are 5 friends. So all of them have some balls and total number of balls are 10 balls, right? The first basic condition is that each one should have at least one ball. So हम सबसे पहले PNC में क्या करते हैं, जहाँ पे भी conditions होती है we fulfill that, right? So here the condition is each one should have one ball. So let's distribute one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So number of balls left are A, B, C, D, E, and the number of balls are 5 balls, right? Now, अब हर किसी के पास एक एक बॉल पहले से है. And what is the restriction we have? The restriction we have is that none of them should have more than 4 balls. यानी एक बॉल तो उनके पास है, तो अगर उनके पास और 3 balls जाएंगी तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है? If each one has one ball and if I am giving 3 balls to A, it will work. A will have a number of 4 balls. But if I am giving A number of balls greater than or equal to 4, अगर मैं number of balls देता हूँ greater than or equal to 4, in that case he will have 5 or 6 balls, which is not a permissible case, right? Now these 5 balls are to be distributed among these people A, B, C, D, E. And what are the total cases we have? What is the formula for non-negative integral solution? The formula is n plus r minus 1 C r minus 1, right? ये 5 लोगों के पास मैंने ये सारी चीजें बांटनी है. अगर मैं नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीग्रल सॉल्यूशन की बात करूं तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 5 is this, ठीक है? 5 is items to be distributed. R is the number of people in which the items are distributed. Minus 1 C, 5 minus 1. So 9C4, that is nothing but 120 and 6. So there are 126 ways in which these 5 balls can be distributed among those. But now there are two restrictions here. What are the 2 restrictions here, or what are the 2 complicated cases here? One case is where A or any of these has got 4 balls. 5 में से कोई 4 यहाँ पे कहीं हो और उसके बाद 1 0 0 0 or somewhat else, right? Or the cases if A has got 5, ठीक है? So there are 2 cases. There are 2 sample cases that we have to eliminate. The first sample case that we need to eliminate is if any of these is getting 4 balls or more. Now in how many ways that is possible? If I am giving, let's say A को मैंने 4 balls दे दी, then B, C, D and E, and number of balls left are 1, ठीक है? मैंने 5 में से I have given 4 balls to A and then number of balls left are only 1. Now this 1 ball can be given either to B, either to C, either to D or either to E. So there are 4 cases. There are 4 cases when A has got 4 balls. So if there are 4 cases with A, then B, C, D and E. So for these 5 people, the total number of cases would be 5 into 4, 20. There will be 20 cases in which A, B, C, D, E can have 4 balls. Okay? Any one of them can have 4 balls, which will make the total 1 plus 4, 5. These cases to go again. Now, what are the cases in which one of them can have 5 balls? Now, there are total 5 balls. So, the number of cases can be A को सारी balls गई 0, B को सारी balls गई 0, C को सारी balls गई 0, D को गई 0, and last one is again this. So, there are these 5 cases more. So, these 5 cases are those in which any one of them is getting 5 balls, which makes the total with him 6 balls. So, these 25 cases needs to be eliminated from these 126 cases. So if I subtract 25 from these 126, the total number of cases left would be 101 cases. These are the valid cases in which the balls with each individual is 4 or less, right? So this was the concept video. I hope you have liked it. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. All the best for your examination.